Today we're making hot dog chili sauce, and we're going to begin by mixing 2 pounds of ground beef with 2 cups of water, and we're going to mix that until we get a very fine texture. Then I'm going to add in a tablespoon of onion powder, a half of a tablespoon of garlic powder, a half cup of ketchup, and 1.5 tablespoons of mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. After you get all that mixed in there, just stir it off and on. Keep an eye on it. You don't have to stir it constantly. Or if you like, you can transfer that to a crock pot if you plan on cooking it while you're at work or out running errands. This is really a simple recipe, and it doesn't take very long at all. Just keep an eye on it. And I'm not making hot dogs today to put this on. I'm going to freeze this, and the reason being I cook a lot. And if I ate everything I cooked in a week, I would weigh 400 pounds. So I'm just going to make this sauce, freeze it in serving containers, and then when I'm ready for hot dogs, I can just thaw out portion sizes and have that. And it freezes very well. If you find this is a little too thick for your taste, just add a little more water or even a little more ketchup. And if it's too thin, just cook it a little bit longer until it's to the consistency that you prefer. You know, if you like a little bit of kick to your hot dog sauce, you could add about 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or whatever else you have on hand. So here you have it. Hot dog chili sauce. I hope you give this a try, and I hope you enjoy it. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.